How to add a picture to your Zoom. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add a profile picture to your Zoom account or add another picture or change the current one, here is what should be done. First of all, head over to your Zoom account. Make sure you have updated the app to the latest version. Once that is done, tap on Zoom to launch the application. Now that this is done, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and select on your name. This way you will see the first option of profile photo. Tap on it. You can either take a new photo or choose the photo from your gallery. Select the option that you like and then you will be asked to choose from the albums or photos for cropping the photo. Tap on just once and then arrange the photo as per your wish. After that, tap on the save button and wait for a few seconds to get the profile photo updated. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.